Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to show you how to change your profile picture in RedNote. So it's really fairly simple. From the home page or explore page, you want to click on the little profile icon on the bottom right, and you want to click on your little avatar or picture on the top left. Now, from there, you'll see that you might get a notification when you try to click on upload new avatar. From my experience, what this meant and how I fixed it was by going into the settings section and clicking on account security. I had to set up my phone number and I had to set up a password for my app. So I know you might struggle to set up your phone number because everything is in Mandarin, but just look for your country code on the right hand side and that'll solve your problem. So do this, and then after you're done, you should be able to change your profile pic in the exact same way I showed you earlier. Thanks so much for watching. Do consider hitting subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.